Hi everybody, welcome to Midland Honda. I'm Matt and I'm here today with a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Now this vehicle came in as a trade, so we haven't seen the history on it before, but just working on it and walking around it, you can tell that this owner took really good care to make sure this vehicle was in tip-top shape. As such, it didn't even need a whole heck of a lot for safety. So why don't you come on in closer and I'll show you everything that we did. We'll show you the tires, we'll show you the brakes, we'll do a walk around so you can see that I'm not lying to you about the condition, and then we'll get you in here and we'll get you to buy it. All right, let's go. So we just completed the inspection here on the 2017 Tucson, and overall it is in really good shape. So much so that we didn't need to do a whole heck of a lot for the safety. We did go ahead and replace the front and rear brakes because they were getting a little bit low. We changed the oil, got you some fresh wiper blades, and that was it. It was ready to roll out because everything else on this car passed the safety and was in really good shape. So why don't you come on in and I'm gonna measure the tires, show you those new brakes, and we'll do a walk around and I'll show you that I'm not lying about how nice this car is. So of course, whenever purchasing any used car, you're always curious, well, what are the tires really like? Well, here on the Tucson, we've got 4.3 millimeters left in the front, and on the rear, we've got just a hair over 3. Now, these tires came with about 6 brand new, so you are getting down to that half-life mark. However, that's still a ton of driving left. They're in great shape. They've got no other tread issues. You're gonna get lots of miles out of these things before you even have to think about replacing them. Now, when it comes to used cars, I typically measure and show you the brakes. However, we've gone ahead and replaced everything. You've got brand new rotors, brand new pads, and that's both front and in the rear. So rather than measure them, why don't I just show you? There you got your nice brand new rotor. You can see through the wheel there, and brand new pads, all greased up, ready to rock and roll. And around here on the back, we've got the exact same thing. You can see your fresh rotor right there through the pad, and your brand new pads. So you've got 100% of the braking life left on this vehicle, which means you've got a ton of driving time with little to no worries about maintenance. And that is the key thing here when purchasing a used car, right? So here at Midland Honda, we try to set ourselves apart from other used car lots by being fully transparent with you, our customers. And in doing so, I'm actually gonna take you on a walk around and show you this whole vehicle. Here we go. We noticed during our inspection that, like I keep mentioning and hammering home, I can't beat this point to death enough, the previous owner took really good care of this thing. He's undercoated it since new. The entire bottom is nice. The only thing I have to show you, realistically, is there's just a couple of small marks on the bumper, probably from taking bags or whatever in and out of the trunk. But I mean, they're just plastic, no worries about corrosion or rust there. The rest of the body on it is pert near mint. I really have nothing else I can say about it. You get tons of jam out of that little 4-cylinder engine rather. Again, I can't hammer this enough. Yes, it's an older vehicle. Yes, it's pushing 100,000 kilometers. This thing is in great shape, and honestly, it's not gonna sit here long. So if I were you, I would give us a call here at Midland Honda today, book an appointment, ask some questions, come on in, drive this thing, and I guarantee you're gonna drive it home.